Howdy do, ladies and gentlemen. Boy, do I have nothing planned for this video today. So that means, what? What does it mean? It is going to be pointless dogging on my truck shenanigans. Oh yeah, yeah, you see it. I'm about to go get an energy drink because I probably sound like I have energy, but I do not at all. Good morning, Vietnam! I mean, are you even surprised? Look at the ponies. Just for the record, not sponsored at all. Not sponsored. Don't buy them. Oh, they are really good though. Y'all want to see if we can get airborne? I'm thinking, yeah. Come on, baby! Well, we definitely did not get airborne, but definitely unloaded the suspension a little bit. I smell oil. That's how you know you got an OBS, baby. When you floor it and you smell oil. Man, there is nothing like just cruising down the back roads of Tennessee, baby. It is just beautiful. The infamous creek, ladies and gentlemen. If you know, you know. You're kidding me, right? No way. No way. Slamming part. Are you actually kidding me right now? There is no shot. I even got a free fog light. Come on. You want to talk about speed? It literally says speed.
They see me rolling.
Boy, do I have an idea. My idea didn't work. Oh, my mirror fell off. I'm running out of ideas. I'm giving this one more attempt. My bumper! All right, this is it. Dude. Oh my God. Yeah, she a little cambered out now. All right, I have to give it one more. Oh my God. There's no way. I should probably stop before I pop my tire. But, dude, oh my God. I think it's safe to say that she is total. Yeah, no bueno. Do I do one more? I think I do one more. I'm putting y'all all the way back here, so hopefully you see the action. She is done. The wheels are gone. No way. Dude. Oh my God, bro. Oh my gosh, there is no way. Look at the pink plastic that's on the ground, the little trail of death. Oh, look at the plastic. Yes, sir, baby. OBS versus vehicle. OBS wins, baby. OBS wins 10 times out of 10. Oh, yes, sir. Oh my gosh, dude, it is done for. It is actually done for. Look at the grindage on that. That is level 5. Yeah, baby. I actually think the rest of the video I'm probably just gonna be easy on her. What in the world do I look like being easy on my truck? Who do you think I am? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my windshield. Oh my. Oh, put some water on the windshield. Oh, there we go, baby. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. We are golden. I almost forgot. There is one more thing I gotta show y'all. We have a new addition inside the toolbox, okay? We got the old stubby DeWalt 1/2 inch. Yes, sir, baby. So now I actually have zero excuse to not work on my truck. Oh, well, I'll just do that later, you know, because, oh my God, my truck is so dirty. Look at the tailgate. Now I have zero excuse to not work on my truck. Oh, well, my impact can't get in there and it's just gonna take way too long if I use a ratchet. No. Next video is probably gonna be me looking at my rear brakes because they're starting to make weird brake noises, you know? But that is the end of this completely pointless video. Dogging on the old OBS. I know everybody loves those videos, including me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Absolutely love y'all so much. All of y'all's comments literally just almost make me emotional. It's just, I truly feel I don't deserve y'all. Y'all are beyond positive and supportive, and I just cannot thank y'all enough. New video every single Monday, 6 p.m. Central Time, like I always say. Hopefully I'll see you on that. But this is Word, and I'm gone, ladies and gentlemen. Peace. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am putting this at the very end of the video just because I know the people that care about seeing this are most likely going to be at the very end of the video right now. So, just a little life update. My tattoo, sober date, you know, how it was 6/10 and 10/6. 10/6 for drinking. But what's today? Today is the 15th. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's been, wait, what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I guess that's right. So it has been 10 days, and I have not drank any alcohol at all. So 10 days sober from alcohol. Don't even know how many days. It's close to 500 days sober from drugs. So just figured I'd let y'all know that. And if you're struggling, headstrong, baby. Positive thoughts only. You know all we are around here is positive. Come on now. If you feel like you ain't got nobody rooting you on, you know, believing in you, just know that I am. And I don't even know you personally, but it does not matter. I'm 100% here for you. Love you. And I know you can get through whatever you're getting through. Just know that it always gets better. Always gets better. And you got to go through the hard times to make you who you are to get to the good times, you know. The bad times, if there was no bad times and it was only always good, then it wouldn't be good. It would just be normal, you know. So there has to be hard, bad times for you to appreciate the good times. So always remember that. But until next Monday, this is Word, and I'm gone for real this time. Love y'all so much. Peace.